Even if you weren't the type to get excited about science in school, now, as an adult, it's hard not to marvel at science facts. Seriously, stop for a minute and think about what both the natural world and technology can do. It's truly fascinating, and you only know a small fraction of the interesting and downright weird facts that scientists have discovered so far. Hi science enthusiasts, welcome to a journey in the scientific world. Science is in the news every day. It's benefited from helping us improve our way of life, our quality of life, and helping others. In these unprecedented times, science is never out of focus. Whether your interest is chemistry, biology, or physics, these incredible science facts will blow your mind. Let's go on. Soil is full of life. Just 1 teaspoon of soil has more microbes than humans on Earth. According to the United States Department of Agriculture, millions of species and billions of organisms, bacteria, algae, microscopic insects, earthworms, beetles, ants, mites, fungi, and more represent the greatest concentration of biomass anywhere on Earth. Bananas are radioactive. This is a random fact about one of the favorite foods that you love. Bananas contain potassium, and potassium decays, making the yellow fruit slightly radioactive. But don't worry, you'd need to eat 10 million bananas in one sitting to die of banana-induced radiation poisoning. Before we move to the next fact, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to watch more videos like this. Hot water freezes faster than cold water. This may seem counterintuitive, but it's called the Mpemba effect. Scientists now believe this is because the velocities of water particles have a specific orientation that allows them to freeze more easily as they warm. If proven correct, the discovery could be applied to everyday things like cooling electronic devices. It may rain diamonds on other planets. The atmospheres of planets like Neptune, Uranus, and Saturn have enough pressure to crystallize carbon atoms into diamonds, report American scientists. How do we know this scientific fact? Researchers were able to create the right conditions in a laboratory to prove that this happens on Neptune and Uranus. Separately, other researchers estimate that about 2.2 million pounds of diamonds rain down on parts of Saturn each year. There were approximately 2.5 billion TRexes on Earth, but not all at the same time. Ever since a complete skeleton was put together, people have been amazed at the size of TRexes. Now, thanks to research published in April 2021, scientists have a better idea of how many of them once called Earth their home. According to the team at the University of California, Berkeley, roughly 2.5 billion of these dinosaurs lasted more than 127,000 generations. They arrived at this estimate by taking into account the dinosaur's body size, sexual maturity, and energy requirements. By the way, this is what T-Rexes actually sound like. Water can exist in 3 states simultaneously. This is called the triple boiling or triple point, and is a specific temperature and pressure at which the substance exists as a gas, liquid, and solid at the same time. The triple point, the only state where all 3 states of matter can coexist, is different for every substance. The water reaches its triple point just above freezing and at a pressure of 0.006 atm. Most of Earth's oxygen is produced by the oceans. Have you ever wondered where oxygen comes from? Most of us believe that we get our oxygen from trees, but you may not know that more than half of the oxygen we breathe on Earth comes from the oceans. Various scientists estimate that 50 to 80% of the Earth's oxygen is produced by the oceans. The majority of this product is from plant-based marine organisms. Marine plankton, algae, seaweed, and some bacteria can photosynthesize and produce more than half of the world's oxygen. Razor blades can dissolve in the human stomach. It may sound terrifying, but another amazing fact of science is that a human stomach is more capable of dissolving razor blades. Acids are classified on a scale of 0 to 14. Remember, the lower the pH level, the stronger the acid. And the pH of the stomach ranges from 1 to 3, which is strong enough to dissolve a single-edged blade within hours of being submerged in stomach acid, a study found. So if you ever swallow a razor blade, you don't have to worry. Animals use the Earth's magnetic field to know the location. Yes, among the wonders of science are sea animals' ability to sense the Earth's magnetic fields for their orientation. According to the US Geological Survey, there is evidence that some animals, such as sea turtles and salmon, can sense the Earth's magnetic field and use it for navigation. But is the Earth a magnet? Yes. The Earth is made up of layers of different chemical composition and physical properties. The Earth's surface has some magnetism, and its core generates its own magnetic field. Humans can inherit genes from other species. From now on, we can say that we are not fully human, at least as far as the genetic makeup in our cells is concerned. Another thing that you may know is that our genome may contain as many as 145 genes that we inherit from bacteria, other single-celled organisms, and viruses, according to studies published in the journal Genome Biology. In conclusion, science has a vital role in our lives today, with several valuable innovations like computers, satellites, X-rays, plastic surgery, electricity, the internet, photography, mobile phones, etc. It's not only simplified and improved the quality of life that we live today, but also enabled us to cope better with illness in the modern era. In short, science is no less than a boon to society and mankind. Hope these facts blew your mind. Do you like, comment, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching.